God. Wow. Thank you so much. You have no idea what this means to me. To be back. Love you too. And you. And all those beautiful kids I see on TV, I don't know where they are, but I love you too, wherever you are. I just want to say one thing. You guys are the future of the world. I remember when I was a child, when I was growing up, when I was a teenager, there are so many questions that come to mind. Who here wants to be great in life? And how does greatness come? Does it come with money? Does it come with fame? What does it come with? How does it come? But the one thing that will make you great in your life, beyond money, beyond strength, beyond anything else, is your character. Know who you are. Walk your path. Know your truths. Character. That is what will make you great in whatever you do in your life. And remember that status in the world is not defined by what work you do, but by how well you do it. It doesn't matter what you do. Whatever you do it great. And that will show your character to the people around you. Be givers in life. Don't wait for people to show you love. Give love first. Trust me on this. Be contributors, and whatever you want in your life will come to you automatically. Give first. Krish has been a really long journey, and I'm happy that it took so long, right from its inception stage of Koi Mil Gaya to Krish, now Krish 3, because it's taught me a lot of things in life. It's taught me that a superhero is not about the jacket or the cape or the powers. A superhero is any one of us. What does a superhero do? It uses all its powers, whatever it has, all its powers to help others, to contribute to others, to be in service to the world. That's what defines a superhero. So any one of us can be a superhero. Make a superhero a symbol. Make it a symbol, because a symbol is stronger than any individual, any actor, any person. A superhero is about a symbol. He stands for a certain set of values. If you understand those values and you imbibe them, who is going to stop you from being a superhero in your life? I learn from the characters that I play, whether it's Akbar or whether it's I try and look for what I don't have that character has, and I try and imbibe, I try and grow with that. With Krish, I have learned certain values that I think we all can learn from. Those values I carry with me on my wrist as a symbol of Krish. And that stays with me. And what is it? When I wear this, when I wear the jacket, I feel like Krish. I feel unstoppable. I feel unbreakable. Why? Is it the jacket that makes me feel that? Is it the band that makes me? What is it? It's just a mental decision. It's a mental decision which any of us can take. It takes you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I am a superhero. Bring it on. Whenever you are undecided in life, whenever you are confused in life, whenever it's a time to take a hard decision in life, take those 3 seconds. Say 1, 2, 3. That's it. You decide, and then you will ask the right questions and you will get the right answers. Anyone can be a superhero. Anyone. Identify with a symbol in your mind. That's all you need. I love you all, and thank you so much for such a warm welcome. And I especially want to say to the entire team of dancers, oh my God. Starting with that little angel that came on stage. I mean, she just kept looking at me. All through the dance, she was just looking at me as if to say, you see, that's how it's done. And I was like, wow. I wish my kids were here to witness that. And to all the other artists who have performed on stage, how wonderful. If I have been a part or I have contributed to inspiring them, I feel really proud today that I can inspire something like this. So thank you to the all the dancers, all of you. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Everyone, yes, I agree. The general consensus seems to be that everyone loves Hrithik Roshan, but we should really continue. Thank you, sir, for your words. Also, you have a special wristband, which you call the Courage Band. So could you give us one, please? The Courage wristband.
Yeah, the wristband.
As I said, that if I ever get a chance, whenever I get a chance to be able to inspire someone or to inspire, to contribute to someone, I am always ready. So today, I take off my symbol and I contribute it to this school and to all the students. May this stand as a symbol for you in your lives. Remember, it is beyond a movie, it is beyond an actor, it is beyond anything. It is a symbol of values. You look at it and you get power from it. Live your life like that.